Number 22 of the EOC practice test, Integrated Math 3. All right, I've shrunk this down a little bit so that the whole problem would fit on the screen. So let's get started. The windshield wiper of a car rotates through an angle of measure 5 pi over 6 radians as shown. The shaded section of the diagram represents the area cleared by a 10-inch blade of the windshield wiper as it moves from one side to the other. Approximately, what is the area cleared by the blade on the windshield wiper? All right, so we're looking for the approximate area. So we know the area of a circle. You know, if you can finish this all the way around, this would be a circle. All right, so the area of the large circle, we're going to find first, which is pi r squared. All right, so we're going to have the radius is 10 plus the 2 because the radius goes from the center to the edge of the circle. So we're going to say A equals pi times 12 squared. And that's going to be pi times 144. We plug that in the calculator and we get approximately 452.39. Now, this is the area of the large circle. So this is the large circle. All right, now we're going to find the area of the small circle. All right, so you can see in the center, there's this portion here that's not being wiped by the blade. So we're going to have to subtract that. So this is going to be the small circle. All right, so we're going to do area equals, same thing, pi r squared. So pi times this radius would be 2 squared, which is pi times 4. Pi times 4 is approximately 12.57. All right, now to find the area of the whole circle minus the small circle, we just subtract. So we're going to do 452.39 minus 12.57, and that's going to be about 439.82. Now again, that's the whole circle minus the whole small circle, but it's not accounting for just this percent of the windshield wiper yet. So what we have to do is now look at the angle measure, 5 pi over 6. All right, so 5 pi over 6 is in radians. We can easily convert that to degrees by saying 5 pi over 6 times 180 over pi. So pi's cancel. 5 times 180 divided by 6 is 150 degrees. All right, so we know this is covering about 150 degrees. Well, that's 150 out of your entire circle, which we know is 360 degrees. So if you reduce that, that becomes 5 over 12. So all we have to do is take the area that we found over here, 439.82 times 5/12 of the circle, and that will give us the area that the windshield wiper clears. So that's going to be approximately 183.26, and that is approximately answer B.